Every morning, sunlight gently wakes me and signals the start of a new day. I rise early, stretch and yawn. First, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After getting dressed, I prepare a simple breakfast like cereal or toast. Feeling energized, I leave for work or school, ready to learn and grow. Around midday, I take a short break for lunch. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad and relax for a while. After finishing the day's tasks, I return home. Evenings are for relaxing, reading a book, watching TV, or spending time with friends. On weekends, I enjoy hobbies, family time, and outdoor activities like walking in the park. Taking care of my health is important. A few times a week, I exercise at home or jog nearby. At night, I take a calming shower and go to bed, ready for a peaceful sleep. This daily routine helps me stay balanced and happy.
Try to answer these comprehension questions. What does the writer do first in the morning? What kind of lunch does the writer eat? How does the writer spend evenings? Why is exercise important to the writer?
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Speak Better English for more biography stories and English listening practice. See you next time. Bye!